Beautiful large 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom in Forest Hills. It's entrance. So the entrance got 3 closets, one here. There's 2 more closets here. This is the living room. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings. On the right is the master bedroom with his own bathroom in it. A large bedroom. You can fit a king size. Windows. And his own closet right here. And this is the bathroom here. It's got a stand-up shower. Sink and toilet. Very clean. Living room. All the way at the end on the left is the 3rd bedroom. And here another large bedroom here. Got 2 closets. And the closets here. You can fit a king size bed. Bathroom here all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Let's check the 3rd bedroom and then we're going to check the kitchen. This is the 3rd bedroom here. Also this inside, you can fit a king size bed or queen. His own closet here. Got 2 windows. A lot of light during the day. And I got a beautiful kitchen. A large kitchen. Got a lot of counter space. A lot of cabinets. Beautiful cabinets. Stainless steel appliances. New fridge. Beautiful tile floors. It's got a microwave. Got dishwasher, windows in the kitchen. Beautiful apartments. 1 block from the E&F train, express train, M&R train. Not far from the Long Island Railroad, grocery shops. Yeah, Queens Boulevard and 72nd. Apartment's good price. Gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me. I'll be glad to show you. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.